To create a TradingView bot, you need to have a basic understanding of programming and trading concepts. First, you need to create an account on TradingView and familiarize yourself with the platform. TradingView is a social network for traders and investors that provides real-time data and charting tools. Next, you need to choose a programming language to use for your bot. The most commonly used languages are PineScript, Python, and JavaScript. PineScript is a proprietary language developed by TradingView, and it is the most popular choice for creating trading bots on the platform. Once you have chosen your programming language, you need to define the strategy for your bot. This involves identifying the market conditions under which the bot will buy or sell assets. You can use technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands to define your strategy. After defining your strategy, you need to write the code for your bot. If you are using PineScript, you can use the TradingView editor to write and test your code. If you are using Python or JavaScript, you need to use a third-party library or framework to connect to the TradingView API. When writing your code, you need to consider several key concepts, including risk management, position sizing, and trade execution. Risk management involves setting stop-loss and take-profit levels to limit your losses and lock in your profits. Position sizing involves determining the size of your trades based on your account balance and risk tolerance. Trade execution involves specifying the conditions under which your bot will execute trades. To test your bot, you need to use historical data to simulate its performance. TradingView provides a backtesting feature that allows you to test your bot using historical data. You can also use third-party libraries or frameworks to backtest your bot. Once you have tested your bot, you need to deploy it on a server or cloud platform. This involves setting up a server or cloud account, installing the necessary software and libraries, and configuring your bot to run automatically. Finally, you need to monitor and maintain your bot to ensure it continues to perform well. This involves regularly reviewing its performance, updating its code, and adjusting its strategy as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful TradingView bot that helps you achieve your trading goals.